Survey the market right now, and you'll find that cameras under $1,000 offer some truly impressive features that were once reserved for enthusiast and even pro models. Since mirrorless cameras took over from DSLRs in the last decade, cameras have gotten smarter, faster, and more compact. If you're looking to upgrade from a smartphone, learn the basics of photography, step up your vlogging game, or just take pictures that look different from everyone else's smartphone snaps, the best cameras under $1,000 can help while leaving enough cash left over for memory cards. Number 1. Canon EOS R50. Canon's entry-level mirrorless camera offers a seriously impressive list of specs, considering its roughly $800 price tag. And that includes the standard 18 to 45mm kit lens. The 24.2 megapixel resolution is tried and true, as it was the standard for several years before resolution started to shoot up. This provides a nice balance of easy-to-work with files and the ability to crop in on an image after the fact. The camera weighs just about a pound, which makes it extremely compact. Compared to my professional-grade cameras, it's noticeably lighter from the moment you pick it up. Despite its entry-level status and diminutive build, the R50 still offers many of the high-end features found in Canon's enthusiast-level cameras. The object-based autofocus tracking does a stellar job locking onto humans and even animals, keeping them in focus without any extra work on the photographer's part. It also has a fully articulating touchscreen display and a mic port for external audio. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a heck of a lot of camera for under $400. It offers a surprisingly sharp super wide-angle lens with a revamped image sensor. It shoots high-res, high frame rate video that translates into super smooth footage. Plus, it has some of the best image stabilization we have ever seen. It's almost shocking how smooth the GoPro can make even the burliest action shots look. The new Hero 12 isn't a huge revolution over the 11 that came before it, but there are some useful upgrades, including a standard tripod socket for easier mounting on non-GoPro accessories. With 27 megapixel stills, it's no slouch in terms of photography, but it really shines in terms of video. Plus, it's ultra-durable and totally waterproof. GoPros make the best underwater video cameras, without an extra case, so you don't have to worry about it breaking and costing you even more money. Number 3. Sony a6400. This isn't the latest addition to Sony's excellent A6x00 series, but it still has plenty of life in it, especially at its now permanent sub $1,000 price. It relies on Sony's proven 24.2 megapixel sensor and a well-regarded rangefinder-style design. Despite its compact nature, it offers plenty of tactile controls, including a mode dial and a function dial. The built-in viewfinder is big, bright, and easy to see. That's not always a given with a camera this small and cheap. Its $1,000 price tag includes a fully electronic 16 to 50mm kit lens that flattens out when it's not in use for easy transport. This is a fantastic vlogging camera if you want to shoot video. Sony offers an accessory microphone for the camera, and it's light and compact to hold at arm's length for an extended period of time. Not bad for an older model that saves you more than $400 compared to the latest and greatest. Number 4. Sony ZV-1 II. Smartphone cameras have come a long way in recent years, but creators almost always outgrow them. They want more flexibility, better image quality, and the creative control that comes with a dedicated camera. The Sony ZV-1 II is a great step up from a smartphone without making the process overly complicated for people who just want to get up and shoot in a hurry. This is a compact camera with an integrated zoom lens. So, you can't swap the lens out, but you don't have to worry about buying or choosing a lens every time you shoot. The built-in lens offers the same field of view you'd expect from an 18 to 55mm lens on a full-frame camera. That makes it plenty wide for capturing several people in the same shot when zoomed out. But it still offers a flattering perspective for portraits when zoomed in. The lens is also fast in terms of aperture, so it performs well in low light. Number 5. Canon EOS RP. When it comes to camera sensors, size isn't everything. But, some inherent advantages come with a full-frame sensor. The primary benefit has to do with lenses. Because the sensor is the same size as a single image shot on 35mm film, full-frame cameras like the RP can utilize the entire image circle from high-end lenses. Smaller APS-C sensors only capture a smaller portion of the image, which makes the lenses appear more zoomed in. If you're switching from a DSLR and you already own some glass, that's a big deal. That 26 megapixel sensor also does an excellent job with color reproduction and low light performance. Plus, With a larger sensor, it's easier to get shallow depth of field effects, where the subject is sharp, but the background is blurry. The Canon RP has been around for several years now, so it doesn't have the absolute newest guts inside. But it still performs well above its price tag. In addition to excellent still photography performance, it can capture 4K video with image stabilization.